Hello everyone. In this session, we'll see another question on Taylor series expansion. So it says find first few terms of or terms in the Maclaurin series of sine square x. Right? So we know that Maclaurin series is nothing. We know that Maclaurin series is nothing but the Taylor series centered at a equal to 0. And this function is given as f of x is equal to f of 0 plus f dash of 0 by when 1 factorial x plus f double dash of 0 by 2 factorial x square plus third derivative at 0 3 factorial x cube and so on, right? So this means we need some of the derivatives here. This f of x is sine square x. F dash of x is 2 sine x cos x, and this can also be given as sine 2x. This will make it easier for the further differentiation. So f double dash x for sine 2x will give you 2 cos 2x. Third derivative minus 4 sine 2x maybe sixth, right? And of course we have to find these values at a equal to 0 or x equal to 0 can also be put for this derivatives, right? So we can say f of 0 will be 0, f dash of 0 will also be 0. Second derivative, this will be 2. Third derivative will be 4 sine 2x, so this is 0. Minus 8. Fifth one is 0. And sixth one is also 32. So we can put these values and we can see what we are going to get. So this will be f of x is equal to f of 0. So f of 0 is 0 plus f dash of 0, which is also 0, into x plus f double dash, which is 2, divided by 2 factorial into x square plus third derivative, that is 0 by 3 factorial into x cube plus fourth derivative, which is minus 8 by 4th factorial x to the power 4 plus fifth derivative, which is 0 by 5 factorial x to the power of 5, and sixth one is 32 by 6 factorial x to the power of 6, right? This overall gives f of x, that is sine square x, is equal to, so leaving the 0 terms, this is going to be x square because it is 2 by 2 factorial, then x to the power 4, which is minus 8 and 4 factorial. So 4 and 2 will be gone, so it will be minus 1 by 3. So I can write minus 1 by 3, the power is x to the power of 4. Fifth term is gone. Sixth term is 32, and we have 6 factorial, which is 720, and then divided by 32 is equal to 22.5, which can be written as plus 2 by 45 x to the power of 6. Otherwise you would have written 1 by 22.5. That won't make sense. This is better, right? So these are the expansions. Of course we'll have the next term, maybe x to the power 8 and so on. So these are first few terms of the Maclaurin series of sine square x, right? This is nothing but the Taylor series expansion centered at a equal to 0, or centered at 0, which makes a equal to 0.